Hello and welcome. I am Lovely, and this is the English Podcast for Beginners, a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. I am so happy you are here today. Today we will talk about a wonderful, common piece of wisdom. This wisdom helps us live calmly. It helps us feel less tired. The phrase is, choose your battles. It is a great phrase. Choose your battles. Please stay with me until the very end. We will learn what this phrase means and why it is so important for everyone. Think about the word battle. A battle is a big fight, a difficult challenge. Maybe you think of a physical fight, but in this phrase, battles means problems or difficult situations. Life has many small problems every day. Maybe your coffee is too cold. Maybe the train is late. Maybe you feel stress about a small mistake you made when speaking English. These are small problems. These are small battles. If you try to fix or fight every single small problem, you will be very tired. You will use too much energy, and energy is very important. We must choose where we spend our energy. We must choose our battles. So, what does this choice look like? It means we stop and think. Before we become angry, before we become stressed, we ask two questions. Question number 1. Is this problem really important? Will this problem matter tomorrow? Question number 2. Can I change this problem? Can I make it better? If the answer to both questions is no, then that small problem is not worth your energy. It is not worth the battle. You should let it go. You should choose not to fight. Let me give you a clear example. Think about traffic. Imagine you are driving or you are on the bus. The traffic is very slow. It is frustrating. You feel angry. This is a small battle. Should you fight this feeling? Should you be angry about the slow traffic? You cannot change the traffic. The cars will move when they move. If you get angry, you only hurt yourself. You spend valuable energy being unhappy. This is a battle you should choose not to fight. Instead, you can relax, listen to music, save your energy for something else. You must choose your battles. This idea is also very useful when you are learning English. When you speak English, you will make small mistakes. Everyone does. Maybe you use the wrong word. Maybe your pronunciation is not perfect. You might feel very frustrated. This is another battle. Should you fight this small mistake right now? Should you stop speaking? Should you feel too much stress? No, this mistake is small. It will not matter tomorrow. A great idea is to choose your biggest battle first. What is the most important battle in learning English? It is communication. Your big goal is to communicate clearly. Focus on that big goal. If you make a small mistake, do not stop speaking. Do not fight that tiny moment of error. Simply keep going. Choose to focus your energy on speaking, not on stress. Choose your battles. Focus on what moves you forward. This piece of wisdom helps you manage your peace. When you feel tired, remember the phrase, choose your battles. Save your strong feelings and your precious energy for the things that really, really matter. Save your energy for your important work, your friends, your health, and your happiness. Let the small problems go. Let the traffic be slow. Let the small mistakes fade away. I hope this phrase helps you feel a little calmer and a little stronger today. Thank you for spending this time with me. You are working hard, and I am very proud of you. Please return next time for more simple, useful English. Until then, remember to be kind to yourself. Goodbye for now.